Maca creamy and cheesy fries. First take potatoes, cut it, and add corn flour for crispy fries and heat the oil and fry until it's crispy and golden brown. Take a maca and grease with oil. Now take fries, add masala in it, chicken powder, chop masala, mix well. Start assembling. First add fries, then cream, mayo and cheese, again add fries, then cream, mayo and cheese on top. First subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Cover the lid and bake for 3 minutes on low flame. It's ready. Looks so tasty and yummy, must try. Allah Hafiz. Maca Masala Soda. Take 1 green chili cut in half, 1 lemon cut into slices. Take a maca, add green chili, lemon slices, mint leaves, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, pinch black salt. First soak chia seeds, then add. Mix it well. First subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Then add 7-Up. Add ice cubes. Mix and enjoy this refreshing drink. Allah Hafiz. Kulhad Pasta. First take a pan, add 2 tablespoons oil, some capsicum and cabbage. Then add vinegar 1 tablespoon, soya sauce 1 tablespoon, chili sauce 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, pinch turmeric, chili flakes 1 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon chicken powder. Mix it well. First subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. First grease the kulhad, then add macaroni in it and then add lots of cheese. Bake for 5 minutes on low flame. It's ready. It's too yummy, must try this recipe. So it's to cheese and I love it. Kulhad Pizza. For Kulhad Pizza, take veggies like capsicum, onion, tomato, spring onion, cut them. Subscribe must. Then take a pan and all veggies, cheese, boli chicken, 4 tablespoon pizza sauce, 4 tablespoon mayo, 1 teaspoon ketchup, mix them well. Add 1/2 teaspoon chili sauce, a half vinegar. Take 3 slices of bread, cut it into a small piece. Add bread pieces in pan and mix well. Now grease with oil. Add all mixture in it and add cheese on top. Bake for 2 minutes on low flame. It's ready. Enjoy. Allah Hafiz.